Click on the registration link which will take you to Feedaloop. Then click on the registration button that will bring you to ticket options. If you are a conference attendee, choose the ticket circled in the picture.
Next, fill in the registration information required for registration. Once completed, click the blue Continue button.
This will bring you to the ticket option page. As a conference attendee, you will pick one of 3 ticket options: member, non-member, student. You can also choose multiple ticket options at this point. For example, you are registering for 2 members and a student.
Once you have chosen your ticket option, you will then click the Continue button circled here.
You will see the progress of your registration at the top of the page.
You will then be taken to a page to finish your registration profile before proceeding to check out. Here you can fill in your organization, designations, job title and pronouns. Once complete, click the Proceed to Checkout button circled here. Here you will be asked to read the terms and conditions and then indicate by ticking the box that you have read the terms and conditions. Once that is complete, you can click on the Checkout Now button.
Once you have completed the Feedaloop registration, you will be brought to this page that shows you the successful progress of your registration as circled here.
You will shortly receive an email like this one, stating that a payment link will be sent to you within 24 to 48 hours.
An email will arrive within 24 to 48 hours with your payment link. Click on the link as shown circled here and it will take you to square.com.
Once at square.com, you will be shown the amount due as seen here in the picture. Click on Checkout, which will take you to payment options and complete the transaction. You will then receive another email from IIPAC Nova Scotia confirming your payment within 24 to 48 hours.